Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ka JN Suzuki, Kabupaten Hamau Belai Shillong, kala pelat Paidbah mentah kesengi ke Arpesan Terik Kuala Lengkot Arajar Abu Ar, ya ka Scooty Thamai, kepala tip kum ka Suzuki Avenis. La pelat Paidbah ya kini ke Scooty do program koordinator jongkap Bethany Hospital Shillong u Ricky Nelson Rentley u balalong kum kongsan. Habakaran kini ke jingelang ke Lengkot u kongsan lo ai kublai kitbok kit riang ya katrai, lani ke dealer principal jong kini ke showroom, kakong Pristima Jerwan Nongsit. Bat ulah kitbok ru ya borok kinong tray ba kini ke showroom kan long kapayat jauh bah. Ha kini ke juk sengi bala pelat Paidbah la IT ru ya ushabi jong ke Scooty syakinong thiet ki bala dep ban buk lupa ban thiet ya kini ke Scooty syua ban pelat Paidbah ya kah.
To reverse all cursings. It can reverse lack. It can reverse poverty. It can reverse sickness and diseases. The hand of blessing of God can do things that we cannot do by ourselves. So today, I would like to pray for the blessing of God on this enterprise, JN Suzuki, on the staff, the owner, and all the colleagues and everybody who is here. Let the blessing of God be upon your lives. You know, it's the day that we unveil a new model in this enterprise, and I believe the Lord will bless. From today, we will see the blessing of God. I will pray in Khasi, but as for his friends who does not know Khasi, I'll be praying in English too. So let's pray. Bukpa juni bahagian iwan hakmat jami ini kepor hake kerteng kedung Jisu banana sweat. Banduai kerpang hake ini kesini kotwai. Abagini kotwai. JN Suzuki kan lunch gani ka model ka batumai metuai ko try pemenda kirku ko try itrai jam gani JN Suzuki men kirku ko try ki staff baro men kirku ki colleague baro men kirku ko try hinong die hinong kiet baro ki bawan gani ke Jakarta metuai men kirku ro ya gani ka model ko try kan long ke try ke jikir kui dia di babuan nanti memang jikir kui ini ke jika long yang ini ke jik try ke try kilo long ke jikir kui di dia di babuan ada kereta kita menjisu benar nasret naduai ngai mo mi osnau ini ke jik dua ini amen.
10 years back I've been for quite some time in Japan, studied there in Japan, and then I went around I remember that I went around in Shizuoka, that in Hamamatsu. So, but not for this purpose. I went there for some other purpose. I went there to study. So I look around because Suzuki itself is a name, you know, all over the world. So when I came here, when I look at some of the words which is written Suzuki, because generally in India we used to know about Maruti Suzuki, but while I was there in Japan, we always know about Suzuki, you know. So after coming here and looking at the staff and then at the owner, the proprietor was so down to earth. So I could see that there is some similarity about the Japanese culture. Because Japanese people, wherever you go, you know, they will bow down, they respect you. So when I entered here itself, the first day that I got this kind of feeling, you know. So I hope that like the pastor was just mentioning, so that you will be a blessing too, because in the Bible also we could see that God wants us that we should be a blessing for other people also. And I want that this to be, that you will grow from here, and then I could see through your leadership. Initially when I met you, I thought that you are one of the staff, so down to earth, you know. So I think this is the kind of leadership that we are, even the society need. So thank you to both of you.
My heartfelt thanks to Mr. Ricky Nelson, Rentlake, the program coordinator of Bethany Society, also my brother-in-law, Pastor Shillong, my relatives, and my sister, and all the distinguished media fraternity, and all our esteemed customer for taking out your precious time to come here and be a part in the showcasing of the new Suzuki Avenis. As my sales manager has already been briefed about the specification, the performance of the new Suzuki Avenis. We all will look forward to provide our customer with the best customer experience which Suzuki as a brand has been doing, and we will strive to make it better in the coming days. Once again, a big thank you to all the distinguished guests. Thank you.